Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Kryptonians. Welcome back to the Crypto Tech channel. We hope everyone is doing great. So today, we're going to be making a tutorial about NFTs. Before we begin, we would like to remind you that our content is not financial, trading, nor investment advice. We are not liable for any losses. Please do conduct your own research prior to taking any decisions. As you can see, we are currently on the OpenSea website. OpenSea is the #1 marketplace for NFTs. So this is usually where you can find the big players in the NFT space, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club. If we take a second here, we're going to go to our profile. So first of all, you have to connect your MetaMask wallet or one of your other wallets if you have Coinbase or Trust Wallet, for example. Those are all valid options. It can take a moment to connect, so be a little bit patient. So this here is our OpenSea profile, the Crypto Tech official OpenSea profile to be exact. And there you can see all the NFTs we currently have listed. If we go to collections, you can see the collections that we have. This, for example, is a small experiment we did to see just how it was to post an item. As you can see, we decided to call this one Nature's Intrinsic Beauty. We took a special species of plant, fat plants, or succulent plants to be scientific. This plant is actually being cultivated in Portugal by some farmers we met. And so we thought, what if we do this for them potentially? We could sell some images and then we could give them 50% of the profits. As another demonstration of how anything can be turned into a non-fungible token, NFT, we go to our Crypto Tech official first editions collection. Here, you can see what is actually our video outro on the tutorials we use and post on YouTube. We actually encoded this into a non-fungible token, and we're going to show you how to do that yourself. Because you can basically do this with anything, any piece of information, whether it is sound file, music, JPEG, iClip, a moving image, anything can be uploaded onto the blockchain and then converted. In this case, it would be on the Ethereum blockchain. To be simple, an NFT is a piece of information that is stored on the blockchain ledger through a process of converting a specific amount of coins of that blockchain into a single non-fungible token, NFT. And by this we mean, of course, that it cannot be duplicated on this ledger. For a detailed and fun explanation about what NFTs are, stay subscribed to the channel and all our future content. In today's example, we will work with Ethereum. Now, despite what you may think, turning Ethereum into this non-fungible token to create your NFT is actually relatively simple from the front-end experience. Now, if we go to create new item, we're just going to select an image. Here, we've selected this Crypto Tech image. You can fill in the name. We're going to call it Crypto Tech Hipster Logo NFT, for example. And because this is only one of one, we will specify and write one of one here. We will add our websites. And don't worry, if you don't have a website, you can use an external link to your Instagram account, for example. Here, you need to provide a detailed description of the item. Remember, make it sound interesting. You want to sell it, so bring it your twist, make it kind of unique. Okay, that's really important. So in our case, we're just going to give an example. We're going to write unique Crypto Tech Hipster Logo NFT. Then we go and choose which collection. So we have a collection for the moment. You might not have one, that's totally fine. If it's your first image, then you don't have to fill that in. We don't have any properties or level stats or unlockable content, so none of this is relevant for the NFT. And here, as you can see, the supply, it states only one of one. One of the last steps, it asks which chain. So here, I've decided to only choose Ethereum chain. And finally, we click yes. We're going to create it. And there you go. We just created the NFT. This is actually now an official NFT. See, nothing too complicated, right? See here we have the timing of when it was minted, so 17 seconds ago, and counting of course. Now, what we want to do is to sell it. You can also of course edit information if you're not satisfied, but now our objective is to show you how we can sell it. When you decide to sell, there's two options. One, the fixed price, and two, the timed auction. If you do a timed auction, remember you will always pay a fee. In terms of the fees, you can find more information of course directly on the OpenSea platform, but basically, once the item you sell is sold, 2.5% of that total will go to OpenSea. Plus, you have creator fees. We recommend you go and check out the OpenSea website for more details on the creator fees themselves. Now, I can set the price. Let's see, let's try about like $2.32. Yep. And we're gonna have it minted now so that it is listed. And there you go. It's almost as easy as 1, 2, 3, right? So go and give it a go. We hope the tutorial was helpful. Don't hesitate to write in the comments if you have any questions, and go on OpenSea, try and create your own NFT. All right? Thanks for listening. We look forward to the next tutorial with you, and be safe. See you soon. Do your own research and invest with your guts.